So guys, just have a look. You have to, take this place. I agree to continue. So as you can see, we have I agree over here. So you just have to take this place. See, I have take this place. Then after that, you take this place. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on next. Let's go back. Oh my god, I have to restart it again. Okay, so when you get to this section, just tap on this, take this. I agree to privacy policy. I agree to terms and condition. Then after that, you type in your number over here. So as you can see, we already have our country over here. I'm in Ghana right now. So let me type in my number. So guys, hold on. So guys, just keep on waiting. So as you can see, I'm done with the number create. So I've created the number. So after dialing your number, what you have to do is to tap over here, which is the next section over here. So just tap on next. So as you can see, there is next. So you have to tap on next, and they are going to ask you a password. So you have to set a password for your account, and you don't have to forget this password. But if you already have an account but you forgot the password, just let me know in my comment section. So over here, let's type in our password. So the password is going to be very, very simple. So the password, you have to, you have to get upper characters and lower characters, and the characters you have to let the minimum to be 8. It has to be 8 plus. You get me? Then after that, the maximum has to be 64, only 64. So I'm just going to make my password very simple. So I'm just typing in my password. So that is it. So let me check my password whether it's correct. So as you can see, this is my password. So I have my password over here. You get me? So that is the password. So I've already typed in the password. So what I have to do is to tap on create account. So after typing the create account, you're going to see verify mobile number. So you can use voice, you can use SMS. So let me use SMS because it's very simple. So you tap on the SMS. So let's wait. I think the network is very slow because we are having some crashing on our network in Africa here. So guys, don't, okay, so you're gonna get this, fill in missing numbers. So let's fill in the missing numbers over here. Morning. So let's type in this. Cool. I'm just filling in the missing numbers. So after that, tap on submit. So it was okay. 6. Okay, they said us to solve this. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 6, 5, 8. So it's going to be 8. So let me submit it. So now they are going to send a PIN code to my account. Yeah, that's it. Okay, put it on. Okay, so that's the PIN code. Okay, so this is the this is the PIN code 44 10 170. So 1 is it 170 or 171? The 171. So after typing in, you're going to see it's submitted over here. So this is how to create